Welcome back to Usiweb videos. Today we've got something really exciting for all of you kitchen gadget enthusiasts. We're diving into the world of air fryers, a revolutionary way to cook your meals. If you're new to our channel, we explore the latest trends in technology and home appliances. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore why air fryers are becoming a must-have in kitchens worldwide. Before we get started, a quick reminder. You can check out some of the air fryers we'll discuss today using the link in the description. It's a great resource to compare different models and find the best deals. We've curated a list of top-rated air fryers that are currently on sale, so make sure to take a peek. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, there's something for everyone. Remember, this is your chance to upgrade your kitchen with the latest technology. Now, let's talk about what an air fryer really is. It's not just a compact appliance, it's a revolutionary cooking method. Air fryers use rapid air technology to cook food, which means you need less oil than traditional frying methods. It's a healthier option without compromising on taste. This technology circulates hot air around your food, cooking it evenly and giving it that perfect crispy layer. One of the biggest advantages of an air fryer is its versatility. You can fry, bake, grill, and even roast with most models. Imagine making crispy French fries, juicy chicken wings, or even baking a cake, all in one appliance. It's a game changer for those who love to experiment with recipes, but have limited kitchen space. Now, let's debunk a common myth that air-fried food doesn't taste as good as deep-fried. Our tests and reviews beg to differ. The flavor and texture you get from an air fryer are incredible. The key is in the even circulation of hot air, which cooks food thoroughly while retaining moisture. You get that delightful crunch without all the grease. Maintenance and cleaning are also a breeze with air fryers. Most models have removable, non-stick baskets that are dishwasher safe. This means less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Plus, with less oil used, there's less mess to begin with. Let's talk about health benefits. We're all trying to make healthier choices, and an air fryer can be a big step in the right direction. By using significantly less oil, you're reducing your intake of unhealthy fats. This can lead to better heart health, lower cholesterol, and even weight loss, without sacrificing the joy of crispy, delicious meals. Size and capacity are important factors to consider when choosing an air fryer. They come in various sizes, from compact models suitable for individuals or couples, to larger ones perfect for families. Think about how much counter space you have and how many people you typically cook for. This will help you choose the right size for your needs. Another great feature of air fryers is their safety. Traditional deep frying can be risky, with hot oil splatters and burns. Air fryers are enclosed and have cool-to-touch exteriors, making them safer, especially if you have kids around. Plus, most models come with automatic shut-off features, preventing overcooking and potential kitchen mishaps. Efficiency is key in modern kitchens, and air fryers excel in this area. They preheat quickly and cook food faster than traditional ovens. This means you can prepare meals in a fraction of the time, perfect for busy lifestyles. Imagine having dinner ready in just 20 minutes. With an air fryer, it's possible. Now let's discuss cost-effectiveness. While the initial investment in an air fryer might be higher than, say, a traditional deep fryer, the long-term savings are notable. You're using less oil, and with the quick cooking times, you're also saving on energy bills. Over time, an air fryer can be a cost-effective addition to your kitchen. It's also worth mentioning the environmental impact. With less oil used and disposed of, air fryers are a more eco-friendly cooking option. This is important for those of us who are trying to make more sustainable choices in our daily lives. By choosing an air fryer, you're not just benefiting your health, you're also doing your bit for the environment. One question we often get is about the taste and texture of air-fried food. Can an air fryer really replicate the delicious crunch of deep-fried foods? The answer is a resounding yes. Thanks to advanced technology, air fryers can give you that satisfying crunch and flavor. Plus, you can adjust temperatures and cooking times to suit different recipes, ensuring perfect results every time. Let's not forget about the fun factor. Cooking with an air fryer can be a fun and enjoyable experience. It's a great way to involve the family in cooking, experimenting with different recipes, and enjoying healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. From appetizers to desserts, the possibilities are endless. We also want to highlight the convenience factor. Air fryers are perfect for those with busy schedules. You can quickly throw in some ingredients, set the timer, and go about your other tasks. There's no need to constantly monitor the cooking process, giving you more time to focus on other things. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the popular recipes you can try with an air fryer. From crispy chicken tenders to roasted vegetables, there are countless delicious recipes to explore. We'll walk you through some simple yet tasty dishes that you can try at home, showcasing the versatility of this amazing appliance. A significant advantage of air frying is the reduced odor in your kitchen. Unlike traditional frying, air fryers don't leave that lingering smell of oil and fried food. This makes for a more pleasant cooking and dining experience, especially in smaller spaces or open-plan living areas. For those concerned about the technical aspects, fear not. Air fryers are user-friendly and come with intuitive controls. Most models have simple dials or touch screens, making it easy to adjust temperatures and cooking times. Plus, many come with recipe books or guides to get you started. We'll also address some common concerns and troubleshooting tips. Whether it's about uneven cooking or maintenance queries, we've got you covered. Our aim is to help you get the most out of your air fryer and enjoy hassle-free cooking experience. Sustainability is a key factor in modern appliances, and air fryers score well in this aspect. They require less energy compared to traditional ovens, making them a more sustainable choice for everyday cooking. This aligns well with the growing trend of eco-conscious living. We can't ignore the design aspect of air fryers. They come in various styles and colors, making it easy to find one that fits your kitchen's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look or something more classic, there's an air fryer out there that will complement your kitchen's design. We'll also take a look at some of the top brands and models available in the market. From budget-friendly options to high-end models, we'll cover a range of air fryers to suit different needs and preferences. Our goal is to help you make an informed decision when choosing the right air fryer for you. In addition, we'll explore how air fryers fit into different dietary preferences and lifestyles. Whether you're following a vegan, vegetarian, or gluten-free diet, air fryers can be a great tool to prepare a variety of dishes that cater to these dietary needs. We'll wrap up with some final thoughts and our overall recommendations. Whether you're considering purchasing your first air fryer or looking to upgrade your current model, we hope this video provides you with valuable insights and tips. Thank you for watching this episode on Usiweb videos. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. We love bringing you the latest in technology and home appliances, so stay tuned for our next video.